Hi, I am Aisha from Prakriti Group of Schools. I had a very good experience here and I interacted with all the pets and animals and birds. I enjoyed the rain shower and the pump set. I hope we come here soon. Thank you to all the Annas here.
Hi, I'm K. Sabdini from Prakriti Public School. We are here for a school trip. We enjoyed a lot here. The pets are very lovable and friendly. We are enjoyed here. It was exciting moment, and the best part of this trip is pump set and rain dance. I hope we will visit here soon, and I'll thank our school for these arrangements and all the Annas. They helped us for this, and thank you.
ஹாய், என் பேர் தான் சஞ்சய் கிருஷ்ணன். நான் வந்து இன்னைக்கு பிஎன் ஃபார்ம் ஹவுஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பொள்ளாச்சியில் இருக்கிறது வந்திருந்தேன். இங்கே வந்து நேச்சரோட ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. விளாட்றக்கும் கிட்ஸுக்கு நிறையா இருந்துச்சு. ரெயின் இது வாட்டர் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் அந்த மாதிரியும் நிறையா இருந்துச்சு. அதனால் கிட்ஸ்லாம் கூப்பிட்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா உண்மையிலேயே ரொம்ப ஜாலியாக விளாட்ற ஒரு இடம். ஸ்டே பண்ணி இங்கே நல்லாவும் ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கும். தேங்க்யூ.
School. We both enjoyed here and saw a lot of animals and lovely birds here. There is a lot of enjoyment here surrounding here.
This is a lot of trees and we enjoyed here. We have rain dance and pump set bathing.
Even though it feels wet, but we are enjoying it very much.
You also enjoy in PN Farmhouse. Thank you.
Hi, I'm myself Vidyashri from Prakriti Public School. I enjoy a lot here. Here's a lots of nature and I enjoyed the place here, and I found a very happy enjoyness here. That's water games and dry games. It's all make me more enjoyment, and hope everyone to be happy here. Thank you.
So we had a great experience today. Our kids really enjoyed. Your staff service was also very good. Your guys guide each of our students with all the instructions and all. And it was a safe environment too for the kids. We really loved PN Farmhouse. Thank you so much for hosting us.
If you want to experience peace, excitement, thrilling, calmness, nature, if you want to forget the real world, please come, do explore this. Thank you.